Ring just released a slew of new products, and we're here to give you the skinny on these latest offerings from this smart home security dynamo. But before we jump into the big reveal, take a few seconds and subscribe to and like our channel so you don't miss out on all the new smart home and security info that we post here twice a week. Plus, you can learn more about Ring's cameras, video doorbells, and its security system on Safewise.com. Our full Ring home security review is linked in the description box below. And we've got a video too. Check it out. Last week, Ring dropped its new 2021 product lineup. Honestly, we're more excited about it than we expected. And let's face it, even though Ring is a favorite, we haven't seen anything really innovative from them since their video doorbell hit the scene. But Ring definitely stepped out of its comfort zone with these new offerings. The Always Home Cam, a full suite of car alarm security, and a mini mailbox monitor to help keep those pesky porch pirates at bay. So here's a quick rundown of each of these newbies and what we think about them. The Always Home Cam. This is the biggest game changer among Ring's new products. Earlier this year at CES in Vegas, I got a personal demo of a huge security drone setup that's designed to watch over large properties. It was definitely the coolest thing I saw, but it wasn't super practical or affordable for most of us. Enter the Always Home Cam from Ring. It's a personalized security drone for us regular folks. The cool parts, it's a drone. Let's face it, that's cool. It also charges itself, it doesn't get lost, and it lets you keep an eye on multiple floors or rooms in your home without having to buy multiple cameras or extra sensors. Nice. But the not so cool parts, it's an indoor camera. So that means it's an indoor drone. That's cool, but I think drone security definitely makes more sense outside of your home, giving you more coverage and extra eyes on your property before someone reaches the front door or actually breaks into your house. But no matter what, it is cool, and I believe it's the first of its kind to hit the market, and people are going to eat this up. I just like the opportunity to see it work on the perimeter of my property, not in my bedroom. That's just me. So a few security companies have been trying to expand your home security past your house and into your vehicle. And it's not a bad idea, especially since car thefts and break-ins have been on a huge rise since the global pandemic set in and stay-at-home orders have kept people off the streets and left their cars unattended. So far, Vivint has been the company with the most robust car protection system, but now I think Ring's going to give them a run for their money. This suite of products is something that they can each work individually on their own, or they can work together to help you keep better tabs on your wheels. First, let's look at the Ring Car Alarm. This is a little device that you install into your car, a lot like a GPS vehicle tracker. And if you don't know what one of those is, check out our hide and seek video where we put one to the test. Once you have the Ring Car Alarm installed, it's going to sense things like tampering, if someone's rocking or bumping into your car, break-ins, and it can even tell you if you get the dreaded boot, or even worse, a tow. Ring Car Connect. This is an interactive app that integrates with your car's built-in cameras to give you real-time updates and live coverage of things that are happening in and around your car. This is pretty cool, but it's not for everyone. And I mean, so far, the only cars that are going to be compatible with it are Tesla models. Ring had a really great idea here, and it's just too bad that they've made it so exclusive. The Ring Car Cam. Since cameras are really our Ring's bread and butter, it's no surprise that they've adapted them to keep watch over your vehicle specifically. This package includes 2 HD cameras, and it gives you a lot of the same alerts that you're going to get with the car alarm. But on top of that, you're going to get live view, and it also lets you remotely trigger the siren so that you can scare off somebody that's trying to get into your car and alert others that something shady is going on. So when you look at this whole car protection suite together, the cool parts are that car protection is needed. And this is a fairly timely addition to security given the state of things right now and the rise in crime involving vehicles. We really like the remote live view, real-time alerts, and the ability to trigger the remote siren. Those are all really useful features when it comes to car security. The not so cool part really comes down to that exclusivity with Tesla. This is pretty disappointing, and it leaves out a lot of people who are used to going to Ring for high-tech solutions at a really accessible price point. So we're not sure if this signals a change in approach or philosophy for Ring, but we hope it's more of an overexcited blip and that they'll make this accessible to more people soon. The Ring Mailbox Sensor. Timing for this product actually could not be more perfect. We're just around the corner from Black Friday and the launch of Porch Pirate season. On top of that, many of us are living on deliveries in the age of COVID-19. Losing packages and mail right now is just more stressful than ever. So Ring's trying to come to our rescue with this little mailbox sensor. Once you install this in the mailbox, it's going to alert you whenever your mailbox is open. And you're gonna get those alerts either via the Ring app or Amazon Alexa is gonna let you know. You can also pair the mailbox sensor with other Ring smart products like lights or cameras in order to trigger a routine so that like when the mailbox is opened, you could shine a light on whoever's opening it or trigger the camera to start recording so that if it is somebody that isn't your mail person and someone up to no good, you can either scare them away or catch them on camera. In the past, we've recommended regular contact sensors. See our video about things that you can do with contact sensors. It's made to work in your mailbox, so it might be easier to use than adapting another sensor for that purpose. We also really like voice control integration with Alexa. I love telling Alexa what to do, and I will love her letting me know I got mail. Most importantly, pre-orders are available beginning October 8th. So this is going to be just in time for Black Friday and all those extra holiday deliveries that are going to be on top of your real life pandemic deliveries. But, until we see this in action, it's hard to know if this is going to be more or less effective than our smart home mailbox security hack with regular contact sensors. So it's going to be a wait and see situation. That's it. A sneak peek at what Ring's cooking up for 2021 and our initial gut reaction on how exciting or necessary these new products are. Stay in the know with updates like this when you subscribe to and like our channel. That way you will not miss out on any of the helpful information we share at least 2 times a week. Plus, you can learn about all of Ring's products, including the Ring Alarm security system, in our full review that's linked in the description box below. Until next time, stay safe.